know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
What's up, YouTube? So we're back today with another press on toenail video, y'all. So I got these black ones from Shein, and I also got some toe rings, y'all. Like, we trying to go big today, y'all, for real. And so I'm just showing you some equipment I have. I have a scrub brush, a file, cuticle pusher, some clippers, a buffer, and some clear nail polish, top coat to be exact, and some nail glue. And I got this nail glue from Aliexpress. It came with like 10 of them. And I also got my mini nail lamp. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So as you can see, I have stuff already on my toenails. This is from my birthday set, and mind you, my birthday was in April. So don't judge me. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and cut my toenails down. Alright, so now that I'm done cutting them down, I'm going to go ahead and file my toenails so that they're more smooth and manageable. Alright, so I filed all my toenails down. So now I'm going to take my cuticle pusher and push the cuticle so that it looks more natural. Okay, so now I'm going to take my buffer and I'm going to buff the toenails out so that when I get ready to put the toenails on, they will be able to stick to the nail. Because if your nail is just smooth, the nail glue has nothing to attach itself to and it'll just slide right off. After I buff, I go ahead and take my scrub brush and dust all of those dust particles away. And now I'm just going to go ahead and take my alcohol and wipe the rest of it away. Alright, now all the preparation is done. So now I'm about to go ahead and size my toenails to the press-on toenails. I should have done this before I started the video, but hey. And y'all, this part is so tedious. Like, if you guys remember from my first press on toenail video, you guys would know that I use white toenails and those had tabs on them, so it made it a lot easier to apply, while these I have to guesstimate and put my fingers on the nail glue. It's just a lot, but they're still cute. Just wish they had the tabs. Okay, now that we're done sizing, we're gonna go ahead and buff out our press-on nail so that the glue can stick to the press-on nail and the toenail. And y'all, I can't explain how much this worked, because when I tried to take them off, some of the press-on toenail stayed onto my toenail. So yeah, it works very well. So yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and apply them. Alright, so now that I'm done applying, I'm going to go ahead and try to file them down so that it can look more natural. And y'all, why I feel like they look like fingernails? Like, I feel like they're big. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Like, looking at them in person and looking at them on a camera is like completely different. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe off all those particles so that they can look clean. Had to use the alcohol because that's gonna really help. Alright, so sometimes I feel like this step is unnecessary, but I'm gonna go ahead and put on my top coat just to make it look a little bit more shinier, and I'm gonna use my lamp to dry them. And I also want to apologize in advance about the color changing. I don't know why it did that, but you know, hey, still learning. So y'all, we get into the fun part. Look at the toe rings. This one looks like a crown. And I thought it was going to be hard. I thought you were going to slip it on, but you just open it and just size it around your toe. But yeah, y'all, these are so cute. This one looks like a septum piercing. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, because your girl is still going up. I love you all. Make sure you guys are blessed. I love you, and we out. Peace.